Does this really work? Buying and selling digital gaming items online has exploded over the last few years. And in 2026, one name keeps showing up everywhere: Eldorado.gg. The platform claims you can safely buy and sell in-game currency, accounts, skins, and services for popular games like FIFA, Fortnite, Valorant, and many others. Sellers say it's a reliable marketplace. Buyers say it's fast and secure. But others warn about bans, disputes, and lost money. So the real question is simple. Does Eldorado.gg actually work? Or is it a risky trap? To answer that, I looked into how Eldorado.gg operates, how transactions are handled, and what real users experience after they send their money. On the surface, the platform looks professional. It has a modern interface, buyer protection claims, dispute systems, and seller ratings. Everything about it is designed to make you feel safe before you click Buy Now. Eldorado.gg works as a middleman marketplace. Sellers list digital items or services, buyers place orders, and the platform holds the payment until the delivery is marked complete. In theory, this escrow system protects both sides. If the seller delivers correctly, they get paid. If something goes wrong, a dispute can be opened. This structure is common in online marketplaces and, when implemented correctly, can work well. However, the risk starts with what's actually being sold. Many of the items traded on Eldorado.gg violate the terms of service of the original games. Buying accounts, boosting services, or in-game currency from third parties often breaks game rules. That means even if Eldorado.gg delivers exactly what was promised, your account can still be suspended or permanently banned by the game developer. When that happens, Eldorado.gg usually takes no responsibility. Because the delivery technically occurred, user experiences reflect this reality. Some buyers report smooth transactions, fast delivery, and no issues at all. Others report accounts being banned days or weeks later with no refund possible. From the platform's perspective, the transaction was successful. From the buyer's perspective, the money is gone. Another common issue comes from disputes. While Eldorado.gg does have a dispute system, it is not instant or always buyer-friendly. Some users say disputes take a long time to resolve, and outcomes often favor sellers if they can show proof of delivery, even if the product stops working shortly after. This is especially risky with accounts and boosting services, where long-term stability can't be guaranteed. Seller quality also varies widely. Some sellers are professional and experienced, while others are clearly trying to move risky or low-quality products quickly. Ratings help, but they're not foolproof. A seller can have dozens of successful transactions and still sell an item that causes problems later. So, does Eldorado.gg really work? Technically, yes. It is a real marketplace. Transactions happen, and many users complete purchases without immediate issues. But working doesn't mean safe. The platform operates in a gray area of gaming rules, where the biggest risk is shifted to the buyer. The most important thing to understand is this: Eldorado.gg doesn't protect you from game bans, rule violations, or long-term consequences. It only facilitates the transaction. If you lose your account later, that loss is usually yours alone. In 2026, Eldorado.gg is best seen as a functional but high-risk marketplace. It can work for experienced users who fully understand the risks and are willing to accept potential losses. For casual players or anyone emotionally attached to their game account, the risk may outweigh the benefit. So the verdict is clear. Eldorado.gg is not a fake site and not an outright scam. But it is not risk-free, and it is definitely not for everyone. If you choose to use it, only spend money you're prepared to lose. Avoid account purchases when possible, and understand that buyer protection has limits. If this review helped you decide whether Eldorado.gg is worth using in 2026, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and comparisons, like this one. And tell me in the comments, have you used Eldorado.gg? And did it work for you, or did it backfire? Stay smart, stay cautious, and I'll see you in the next one.